Here we are on the desktop. Let's get started by launching SOLIDWORKS. By now, you should already have the software installed. To open it, simply click on the desktop shortcut, if you have one, or use the Windows search function, just like with any other application. For this demonstration, I'll be using SOLIDWORKS 2023. Don't worry if you're using an earlier or later version. Most of the features I'll cover are also available in previous and later versions. When launching SOLIDWORKS for the first time, you might encounter a license agreement or an activation prompt. Simply review and accept the terms, and complete any necessary activation steps before we proceed. After launching the application, the Welcome to SOLIDWORKS window will appear automatically. On the home page, you will find the Recent Documents section, which displays your most recently accessed files, including part, assembly, and drawing documents. Additionally, the Recent Folders section shows the latest folders where your files were saved. From here, you can open existing files or start creating new ones. You will have the option to choose between novice and advanced modes for creating new files, something we'll explore in detail later. The Recent page is the place where recently opened files are displayed. Naturally, during the first run, this page will be empty since the program hasn't loaded any files yet. But with each subsequent startup, you'll find a list of your recently used part, assembly, and drawing files right here, complete with filtering options for easy navigation. You can pin important files for quick access, view their details, remove them from the list, or even expand entries for more detailed information. It's all about keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. On the Learn page, you can dive into tutorials and explore examples to sharpen your SOLIDWORKS skills. Meanwhile, the Alerts page provides important SOLIDWORKS news. Keep in mind that an active internet connection is required to access these informations. All right, let's move on to creating a new document. You can do this directly from the home page or by selecting the New option from the menu. When you do, a window will pop up with 3 file types to choose from: part, assembly, and drawing. A part document represents an individual component. Think of items like a piston, a rod, or a wheel. Next, we have the assembly document, which brings multiple components together to create functional mechanisms. For example, a mechanism of crankshaft, piston, and connecting rod is a great example of an assembly where components can move relative to each other. Lastly, there's the drawing document. This is a 2D engineering representation of your parts or assemblies. Drawings include everything needed for manufacturing, such as views, dimensions, annotations, and even the bill of materials BOM. In novice mode, you'll focus on these 3 core document types, making it simple to get started without overwhelming options. After switching to the advanced mode in the lower left corner, a more extensive window will appear with an option to select tabs. If you've created templates, they'll be visible here. Templates are incredibly useful. They're files where specific settings are pre-saved, providing a consistent starting point for new projects. These settings can include units, dimension standards, accuracy, fonts, and much more. By using templates, you can streamline your workflow and ensure all your designs follow the same standards right from the start. Let's switch back to novice mode. From here, we'll select Part and click OK. When the part document is loaded, a window will appear like this.